If you're a beginner with CPA marketing, why not try out this simple strategy that you can use to go on to making similar amounts of how I'm making right here with CPAGrip. All you need to do is watch this video right now to the end, learn this strategy, utilize that, and make some cool cash online. So basically guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. So diving right into the video of today, what we actually intend on doing first is to get an account created for a CPA marketing platform, and you can utilize platform like CPAGrip right here. Once you do head on to CPAGrip, you want to just simply come right here, click on register. So once you do click on register guys, you can actually go on to clicking on register, be brought to this page right here where you just need to provide your basic details such as your first name, your last name, your company, website, but you can actually skip out all fields not having these red asterisk signs, as such signs indicate the required field you must go on to fill in out before you can get your account created on this platform. So once you do that guys, fill out all the fields right there which are having such red asterisk signs, agree to the terms of service by checking out these boxes right now, click on register, get your account created, then you could go on to logging into your account. So guys, once you're logged back into your account right here, all you need to do is to come onto this page which you can see right now. To get to this page, come onto this section which says offer tools, select that right here, select my offers. You're going to be brought to this page right now, and you just want to go on to scrolling through to select offers that are actually suitable to you. You can actually do filter your offers to any demographic or country of your choice. You can use the United States or any other country right here, and make sure you do go on to selecting offers having a very cool payout, and the offers should actually be offers that can easily be promoted. Like you can see these offers right here which are actually sweepstake offers. You can just simply select the offer to see more details. This offer is kind of like a giveaway offer for $10,000 right now. It's available for people in the United States that are using Android devices. They just need to submit their email address and zip code using this your unique affiliate link, and you actually go on to getting paid some cool amount which is actually $2.22 for every person that actually does that. So that's actually an easy way to make money online. All you need to do is to copy this link to this particular CPA marketing offer. You can actually head on to platforms like Google sites. You could also utilize systemy.io. Maybe you could want to utilize Warrior Plus or the breezy.cloud to create a simple landing page. So you can actually create landing pages for multiple CPA marketing offers utilizing these platforms right here. You just need to go into utilizing them because you can create landing pages for free for your CPA marketing offers. If you want to learn how to create a landing page for absolutely free, head on to my channel OJ Marketing. You want to click on this search icon and just simply go on to typing in landing page right now in this particular section. So if you do go on to type in landing page right here and click on enter right now, you'll be able to see videos I created for you that can easily show you how to create a landing page. This one shows you how to create a free landing page right now for beginners with a breezy cloud. This one shows you how to create landing pages with systemy.io. This one right here is for the Google site. You can actually see much more cool and amazing videos that shows you how to create landing pages that you can use to promote multiple CPA marketing offers, just like this one right here. So just simply check out such videos right now, as they could help you create professional looking kind of landing pages. So once you actually do go into creating some cool videos or cool landing pages right now and link that landing page to your CPA marketing offer, what you actually need to do next is to go into promoting that for absolutely free. And you want to utilize this platform right here called the obackpage.com. This is absolutely a free platform you can utilize to post ads for free. All you need to do is to click on post ad right now. If you do click on that, it's going to take me to this page where I just need to go into signing in with my Google account. So right here guys, as you can see, I'm signed into my Google account right here. You can see right now I've used up all my credits. All you need to do right now, if you do have some credit right here, or if you want to post ad for free, is to just simply click on post ad right here. You can see this first option which is post free ad. The second one and the third are actually paid ads right here, but you can see this first one which is post free ad. Select that, select the location in the United States you want to promote your ad to. I'm just selecting a specific location in Arizona which is Flagstaff, and you can actually do go on to maybe after running this particular ad, you want to running multiple ads in the same in different location in the United States. So you want to select the category for that ad right here. Maybe I'm actually going to go into selecting something like buy, sell, trade, something like that right now. For the option, I'm going to just simply select miscellaneous right now, and you want to just simply go into inserting a title for that offer or for this particular ad. And for the title, guys, you may actually want to use the same title, which you can actually see right here. If you do copy the title from CPAGrip, head back to that particular back page, paste that in that particular section. You can actually insert description right here. Make sure you do add a very cool description, and the description could also take your CPA marketing link or the link to your CPA marketing offer or that particular landing page which you created. This option right here is for adding links right now. You can see you just need to add in the URL and the title right there. It's going to be added right there. You could add in your age, your location, and fill out other fields right here. Complete this captcha right now, and if you do click on continue at the bottom, you'll be taken to the next page, which is for you to preview your ad. And next, you want to just simply post your ad on this platform. It is quite easy to do that right now, which is why I'm not going to walk you through the entire step. But what you actually need to do next of all, after posting your ads for free on this platform, is to go onto Google and search for this particular word right here, which is the site like. If you do search for that right now, you'll be able to see other websites you can actually go on to taking advantage of. You can see this option right here, which is the site like or the similar site like. You want to select that option. It's going to take you to a page such as this, and you want to just simply come right here and paste in the web page or the domain to that particular back page right now. So if you do come right here and you do go on to inserting obackpage.com, I'm just going to insert that right now. If I do insert obackpage.com right here and click on search right now, what this platform right here is actually going to do is that it actually helps you get similar websites to other websites right now. So I went on to searching for the classifiedads.com right here because I was not able to get similar websites to the OBAC page. But there's also another free ad platform you could use, which is called classifiedads.com. So if you do search for that right there on this particular section, you'll be able to see alternative website to that right there. And you can see right here that it has 77 classifiedads.com alternatives. So all you need to do right now is to check out such alternatives and go on to promoting your ads on such platforms for free. You can see the first one right here, which is the global free classifiedads.com. You could actually see the free ad1.net, the adlandpro.com. You could also see much more as you keep on scrolling down and down. You'll be able to see 77 alternatives to that particular website. So why not just simply utilize such alternatives to go on to promoting your ads for absolutely free? If the platform, if this video actually did add any form of value to you, why not just simply leave a like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.